Hey guys, you may or may not know me. My name is Sunil. So I found this new video platform called Video Playground, and I'd like to share it with the rest of you and encourage all of y'all to create videos, and they could look a little something like this. Starbucks, there for your everyday needs. Alright people, and once again that was Sunil in his very famous and dashing state. Love you Sunil,
So if you want to make a video like that, the QR codes should be up and around in all the classrooms now. So feel free to upload all of the things.
Remember people, what we said last week, it must be entertaining, it must add value, and also please, if you go rival, that will be cool, but that's not the main objective, alright? So yeah, so that's it for the video playground. What's next?
So in case you didn't know, there is a comic workshop happening this weekend, the 14th of March, Pi Day, being run by Emerson and Sheldon from 3MS, and they are both published storybook artists at the age of 11 and 13, and that is absolutely ridiculous. I don't know what I'm doing with my life.
Let me share my see how old. Okay, yeah. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to join it, do check out the link. Check out, we have the posters, everything, flyers up everywhere and anywhere you can think of. For parents or for siblings, if you're into comic books, like come on, Marvel, Avengers, Endgame, those are comics. You want to get a start? Join the workshop. It's guaranteed to be a life-changing experience, or as the late Stanley used to say, Excelsior! Okay. She's gonna kill me if I do anymore. So anyway, other than the comics workshop, what else do you have?
Hang on, this one?
Ah yes, I know!
Oh no.
We have a queue!
It's not a queue. Oh shit, sorry!
We'll clean that up later.
Yeah.
So anyway, we have an upcoming Sligo
No, wait, we can't keep that in. Because I said.
Okay, we have a Sligo
I did not realize I was so near your mouth.
I'm so sorry. We will censor that out. We have an upcoming Sligo Ace Cube competition where it is sanctioned by the Malaysian Rubik's Cube Association. I think I got that right. If I did not, please forgive me. And it's an official event where it's open to the public and also students in our school. It is being jointly organized by our students, yay, and alumni, and it will take place. When is it taking place again?
It will be on the 18th and 19th of April in Dwi Emas, and there will be actual representatives from the World Cube Association there. So this is like fully officially sanctioned, and I think if I know this correctly, if anyone sets a Guinness World Record, it's gonna be an actual Guinness World Record.
Yep. So stay tuned to the links, check out the flyers, everything. It's actually on the Malaysian Cubing Association website, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, the link will be in the description, and I think
yeah, so once again, this is a cube. I didn't say it's not a Rubik's Cube. I didn't say not a Rubik's Cube. It doesn't matter. Anyway, that's all from us in AceTV.
that's the cube. Cube.
Okay, so Kat, so Richard, so Amos, signing out. Peace.
Goodbye.